Anytime you go fly fishing, it's always important to pay attention to what's going on around you. And looking around here, there is just tons of clues. We've got caddis everywhere around me. So if I take my hands, I'm just going to scoop down, I can see cast pupil shucks, spent adults, egg layers, adult caddis themselves still moving around. We've got lots of things to think about here today on the Columbia River. Lots of caddis activity. Should be some good fishing.
Coming around the turn.
Yep.
Try to hold us here, let that water come to us. That's good. Here they come. There you go. Fish
There
on.
we go. Fish on. Again, that delicate sip. This fish in size 14, Antron caddis, I guess you call it, eh, Dwayne?
That's right.
And just a delicate sip. And I'm kind of using my fly line as a strike indicator because in all the swirls, it's not always easy to pick up the fly. And just saw that little poke and just a gentle lift, and lo and behold, I'm connected into a beautiful Columbia River rainbow here.
Good for you.
Oh, look at this. Look at the color on this fish. This thing is like a hubcap. Oh, now it's deciding to go down, and these fish can sound. Dwayne was telling us that some of these big, huge back eddies that we're fishing here, 100 feet deep.
That's right.
It's underneath the boat. There it comes up into view. Oh, what a gorgeous, holy smokes, what a fish.
Yeah, they usually run a few times.
Oh yeah, he's figured that out.
Yeah. About 3 times and then we'll be able to net him.
Yeah, this guy didn't, he's kind of confined himself into the flat water here, which works to our advantage. That first one I had hit the main current and adios backing. Oh, this is a gorgeous fish. Holy smokes. This is the stuff I'll be honest, I'm used to seeing in lakes.
Yeah.
Might be an idea to do a little line management here. If this fish bolts and I'm standing where I shouldn't be, I'll end up busting this off in no time. So we'll just clean this up and keeping the tension on the fish. I'm always making sure he's struggling down. I can see him, beautiful silver sides on these fish. Oh, these magnificent. Yep. Now he's
Likes the current, you see.
full of spike. Now he's found the current and keep him out of that whirlpool. The tip high out of the rod tips here. I mean out of the oar locks, I mean the oars.
Let's back us up a little bit here.
Just the power of these rivers. So you can see why these fish put up such a good fight. They survive in this environment all the time. Well, you got starting to tire. He's sounding down again. He's right by your oar there, Dwayne. Oh, we're on the log.
Some debris here.
We found our own dock. And again,
It's probably getting ready.
yeah, he's showing us his sides. I think we've got him, folks. Outstanding.
Good job. Pop the hook out.
Well done.
Come here. There he is.
Magnificent. Well done, my friend.